Unlock a secret advantage in real estate. Manual listings on BoldTrail offer exclusive access to properties not found on the MLS. Imagine showcasing sold and coming soon properties that only your clients can see. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. Manual listings are added manually into BoldTrail. This means your listings appear in special sections like exclusive listings that are only visible on your website. You can also promote your exclusive sold or coming soon listings on social media using the lead engine tools in the platform. When you add your manual exclusive listings to your BoldTrail website, you can showcase properties not yet available on the MLS. As always, please check with your broker and check your MLS rules for posting these types of properties. BoldTrail's tools make it easy to connect with clients, ensuring your properties get the attention they deserve. Let's explore how this can transform your business. By adding manual listings, you offer clients exclusive insights. Start entering your unique properties today to stand out in the market. This feature helps build stronger client relationships and close more deals. Recap: manual listings provide a unique advantage and can increase exposure and enhance client engagement on your BoldTrail website. By leveraging BoldTrail, you offer something truly exclusive. Remember, by showcasing these properties, you're setting yourself apart. Ready to elevate your real estate game? Start adding manual listings to your BoldTrail website today. Let's make your properties the ones everyone talks about. Take action now and watch your business grow.